quick solution for Bluetooth connectivity problems. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick solution for fixing Bluetooth connectivity problems on your phone. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open your settings on the device and go to the Bluetooth option in the Settings menu. Now turn Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Next, check the list of paired devices. Tap on the device you're having trouble with and select Unpair. Now try reconnecting. Make sure the other device is in pairing mode and nearby. If it still doesn't connect, go back to Settings and scroll down to System Management. Scroll down a little and tap on Backup and Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. This will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth settings. But don't worry, your personal data will remain safe. After the reset, go back to Bluetooth, turn it on, and pair the device again. Also, make sure the other Bluetooth device isn't already connected to a different phone or gadget. That's all for the video. Try these steps, and your phone should connect via Bluetooth smoothly again. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.